Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off suggestions on Instagram. Sometimes, Instagram shows suggestions for accounts you might want to follow, which can be distracting. You can easily turn off these suggestions to have a cleaner feed. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu with all your account options. From the menu, tap on Notifications to access all the settings related to alerts and suggestions. Now, tap on Following and Followers. Here, you will see a section called Account Suggestions, which controls whether Instagram shows follow suggestions based on your activity. Select Off in the Account Suggestions section. This will stop Instagram from sending notifications or showing suggestions about new accounts you might want to follow. After doing this, your feed and notifications will be less cluttered, and you can focus on the content you actually want to see without extra distractions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.